Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing recoil spring or recoil repair. I'm hoping it's a spring, I haven't even opened it yet. On a gz23n redmax edger. I'll put these, I don't think these are the same, but I'm going to put those numbers in the description too. Just in case somebody types them in. Alright, first thing we're going to do, parts will be in the description below. If this helps you in any way, click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, show me a little support. Alright, here we go. We got torque 27. This is a still tool. I'll put this in the description. It's got the torque on it. Also spark plug socket. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take those 4 off. I'll just go ahead and remove the recoil. Make sure there's no dirt and debris inside there. You know, give it a good cleaning. Like there's some dirt and mud in there we're going to clean out. So yeah, it looks like it's alright, flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver. And then go in a counterclockwise direction. Like this. Pull the screw out. And then you'll see this is in that little slot. I'm going to pull that out. Come on now. Just picks up and slides out. Jeez, it's fighting me. Alright, got those out. This can come out. Just be careful, that spring can pop out at you. I'm going to use both hands just to get this up. Oh wait a minute, here it comes. There we go. Oh, and look. Oh, it's about to break though. This one's actually intact. We could reuse this one, but it's looking like it's getting rusted up pretty bad in here. Like right here. Like it's looking bad. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a new one. Won't be a big deal at all. So you pull this out, you gotta be careful. This thing will fly up at you and hit you in the face. So, see that thing goes nuts on you. So go ahead and rip that on out of there. Get it out of your way. So that one end, the hook was bent right out of it. And you can see this is just, well, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. It's just super rusty, super thin. It's just not going to work out for us. So I'm going to gently undo this plastic bag, take it out of that metal ring. You're going to set it right on in, but get that hook lined up where it goes right there. Then you're going to push it in. Let me get this thing out of this so I got a good grip. Then you're going to push this in to where it goes right in there. You're just going to push it right in. You know what? Let me get my tripod out. This thing will fly out. So you really want to use both hands and keep it in there nice and tight. Let me get my tripod out. Let's see if we can get this without fucking it up. Alright, see I got it pushed in there. Now we're going to slowly peel this up. And it's going to come out undone. So we're going to let it come undone to where it's tight. Right in the... You know, it's just coming unwound. There we go. Boom, just like that. This is out of there. Now we do want to make sure that this is down like this. So we're going to give it a little bend. There, boom. We want it in that area so that we can see it connect onto this. Hold on, let me pull this rope through. Alright, so we're going to put this upside down here. Alright, we're going to look for the spring in the hole. See this or not. You can see the little line of the spring right there, and then you see where it connects, and you're going to line those two up like that. Boom. Once you line them up, it slides right into place. Now we're going to go ahead and put those other pieces back on. This one goes through that slot and it sits right in there. And this screw goes in, and then you go clockwise to tighten it. Make sure this is moving freely after you've tightened it. And then we're going to go ahead and get this rope out. We're going to get to this side that's in the recoil spool in this slot here. This camera gives me very little room to work. It's hard to work through the camera. But you go counterclockwise with it. 1, 2, 3 turns at first. You see it's moving properly. We've got to do 1 turn at a time till this thing is tight, so it's going to be probably 2 more turns. 1 turn. I'm going to need 1 more turn to get it all the way tight, so pull it out. I'm not even bothering putting in the slot, it's just dragging it around. Boom. Recoil's fixed. Now we're going to go ahead we're going to clean this out. Not really much dirt in there. I guess it's alright. You just want to make sure there's no chunks of dirt in there, but it's fine. Alright. This is working good. We're going to go ahead and put this up here, and then the 4 bolts back in it. And tighten them down. Alright guys, that's it. It's freaking... This tripod is a pain in the ass, but you get it. Alright, it's working. Alright you guys, if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the parts and tools in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.